Alright, people, check out this shit, man. Life-threatening floods expected this week by the Daily Motion. And then, see that there? Then you click on the weather map, man. Click on the weather map. Go to severe weather, man. We're under a real flood watch from Wednesday, April 2nd, 8 p.m. to Sunday, April 6th, 8 a.m. So, then we'll watch where this all covers, man. You can see right here, all the way from about Texas, the tip of Texas, all the way up into Ohio, man. All the way up into Ohio by Cleveland. You can see a long stretch of where the potential flooding is going to be, man. So if you live in these areas here between Ohio and Texas, be prepared, because we may have some major flooding coming. And once again, I am under a real flooding warning. Watch for potential rainfall, man. Upcoming aerial flood watch, man. Then you click this. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. And all these counties are affected. And I'm in the affected area, man. All these frickin' areas in Ohio are affected by this aerial flood watch, man. And by about, they'd say, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's gonna start raining, man, and we might get some flooding, man. I could see especially in my goddamn trailer park, man. The land is so frickin' flat in my trailer park, man. I can just see this whole fucking trailer park flooding out if we get a whole shitload of rain like that, man. So from Texas to Ohio, man, just be on the lookout, man. There might be a flooding event tomorrow. And this is Mike at Through Hell and Back giving you the scoop. Thank you, people.